Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to create a quiz using Google Classroom. This part of the video is the guideline how to create a quiz using Google Classroom for the teacher. Like usual, log in your Google Classroom account. After get into Google Classroom website, go to the plus sign at the top right corner and select Create Class. The screen will appear. All you have to do is fill in some details such as class name, subject, and etc. OK, right now select classwork which located on top of the website, and then click Create, and then choose Quiz. Actually you can choose whatever type of assessment such as multiple choice question, materials, reuse, post, and others, so don't be afraid to try and do experiment more. I believe that practice makes perfect. Once the blank quiz below ready, just click it, and it will pop up a new page to create your questionnaire. Type in your topic, description. You can start to create a question that you want. After creating the question and answers, please go to the answer key to choose the right answer, and set the point for the question. Go to the plus sign, create one more question. Now, you also can insert photos to make your question more interesting. When you have finished creating your quiz, Now, you also can insert photos to make your question more interesting. When you have finished creating your quiz, You can share this quiz to your student by adding their email. After you have created your quiz, go back to the original page, write down the title and instruction. There is an alternative way to insert your questionnaire, but you have to create the questionnaire first and upload into your Google Drive account. After that, you can go to the Add button. Select Google Drive icon, and choose the questionnaire that you have uploaded before, then click Assign, Done. There is an alternative way to invite your student to answer your quiz. First way is by adding their email, and second way is by giving them your class code. So, as usual, ask your students to log in the Google Classroom account. Go to the plus sign at the top right corner, enter the class code, then your students can join your class to answer your quiz. After that, students can answer your quiz. At the end of the quiz, your students can see their marks and the answers for each question by clicking the View Score button, so that your student can learn. After your student have answered your quiz, you can go to the quiz form to see the result of your student by clicking the Response tab. There are many pieces of information have shown in the Response tab, such as who answered the question, graph analyzation and other useful information that can utilize it in a future lesson. Done. If this video helps you, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share to your friends. Stay tuned for my next video. And thank you.